How y'all doing? One of the dumbest things I ever bought. 18-inch barrel, double barrel, busted stock. I got it cheap, 80 bucks. I am going to pull both triggers at the same time, in theory. Birdshot only though, I'm not going to do buckshot. I still have no idea what the hell they use one of these things for. But here we go. Safety off. Both at the same time. Maybe. Woo! That kicks a little. I hate to do that with more than birdshot. Let's see what happened here. One, it broke the busted it up. This is the other side. Alright guys. Bye. I have no idea what everybody's fascination is over cutting down the shotgun barrel. You guys tell me what to do with it. Bye.